Pack up your bags.
Kiss your turtle goodbye.
Come up and climb.
Where we can touch the sky.
So much to see.
So much to do.
In our tree fort, we've got a show for that TVO Kid Show, that TVO Kid Show, that TVO Kid Show, that TVO Kid Show.
Password, please.
La 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 la, do 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 do, blah 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 blah, that TVO Kid Show.
Hey, and then there was the hamster that was dressed up in that crazy gown.
Oh, I loved that hamster, but what about the cat with that stunning, the silk gown with the train? It was
I know.
amazing.
I can't with a cat. It was an amazing pet gala, TVO Kids.
That's right, TVO Kids, today was the virtual pet gala where all of the pets of the forest dressed up their fanciest.
And so did we.
And so did we.
That's right, we were there. It was so awesome, and we can't wait to tell you all about it.
It's true, but we should also mention that, well, we have dogs of our own, and
That's right.
they definitely got dressed up for the pet gala.
Yeah,
so
we should take a look. I actually brought a picture of Judy. Now, Judy was really excited for this event. She actually wore layers this year.
I love this look. Very out at camp, out at the cottage. Very, winter
Very
layered
cozy.
lumberjack.
Yeah, I know. She looks fantastic. She has some modeling experience, so this was an easy day
Look
for
at her
her.
little ear out on the first one. I love
know.
that photo.
It's fashion.
Absolutely fashion. Okay, but if we want to see some real fashion, my dog Lola also got dressed up for the pet gala. Let's take a look. She went very Vogue with her look.
Stop it.
Very runway fashion model,
I love Lola so much. Yeah, I mean, you always need a good accessory. Some sunglasses are a great way.
Absolutely. The
celebrate
bow,
a pet gala.
the draped fabric look. We love it. We
In
love it.
disguise. That's what it feels like.
Oh, we've got a call.
We've got a caller for the gala. They're here.
Ooh.
Quick, somebody answer.
Okay.
Shreveport, Lucas speaking. Who's calling?
Nabil,
Nabil, what's the password for today?
down.
You're right. You're up in the sky.
That's right. It's gown for the gala. Hey, Nabil.
Looking good.
Nabil. You dressed up for the gala. That's awesome.
I,
Hi. Have you ever been to a fancy event before?
no.
No, this is your first one. Well, welcome to the Pet Gala. So excited to have you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. Now, today's all about pets dressing up fancy. Do you have a pet?
No, but I want a pet.
You want a pet. Okay, Nabil, tell us about your dream pet.
A hamster.
A hamster. Okay.
What color would you want your hamster to be?
Gray and black.
Gray and
Oh.
black. Very unique. I love that.
That is really unique. Okay,
Yeah.
if you could name your hamster one name, what would it be?
Nabil Jr.
Nabil Jr.
Nabil Jr. Okay,
Yes.
what about a second name? Does that have a middle name?
That's his first name. His second name is gonna be Nabil Owal Jr.
Yeah, we love it.
Amazing.
Good
Nabil,
thinking.
that's awesome.
Good thinking. Okay, well, we want to show you some cute videos. Are you down?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet.
All right, so let's check it out. Here is the champion.
Champion. Okay, Nabil, this is moving on from yesterday. This is Peaches and Cream, Greg's cat. What do you think?
Yes, it's having a dream here. Do you like it?
I'm gonna rate that 10 out of 7.
10
out of 7? What's
Good
that percentage?
Score.
That is a good score. Okay, we're gonna know
It's
that
more
one.
than 100%.
We gotta use our brains.
Okay, so let's see if Peaches and Cream is gonna stay the champion. Let's take a look at the challenger.
Challenger.
Okay, can't wait to see this. Ooh,
Oh,
fashion.
fashion.
A slow walking dog.
I love it. Look at that, the fur
Fur coat.
sweater.
It's like a second fur coat. What do you think of this, Nabil?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
That's
Okay.
good.
That's good. Okay, Nabil, which was your favorite out of the two?
I will say the walking dog.
The walking
The walking dog wins the gala.
Amazing. Well, Nabil, thanks so much for joining us on the Pet Gala.
Yeah, it was awesome to hang out with you. We'd love to hang out with you anytime, okay? Bye, Nabil.
Bye.
Bye. We can't wait to meet your future hamster, Nabil Jr.
I know, what a good name. TVO Kids, if you have some pets that you want to show us, send them to tvokids.com, okay? Find the column that says send us your stuff. We want to see your pets.
Absolutely. TVO Kids, we know
We
you're
do.
so good at sending in your photos of your pets, so we love that. Keep them coming. Even if you want to dress up your pet, that's amazing too.
And we always go through them. We've done that before. We look through them all.
We do. You'll be seeing some today as well.
Uh-huh.
TVO Kids, if you want to dress up your pet, there are some things to keep in mind.
Good point. That's right. You always want to check in with your dog, okay? So they can't speak English like us. They can't tell us if they're feeling a little overwhelmed by all of the stuff that they're wearing. So
Totally.
if their tail is between their legs, if they're acting funny, you know, rubbing on the ground, maybe don't dress them up.
Yeah, you always want to listen to your dog's body language or your cat or your hamster and just make sure that they're okay. But Lucas,
The Pet Gala
the Pet Gala
was amazing.
It was stunning, and TVO Kids, we want to show you some of the best dressed footage from the gala.
Yeah, we should take a look. Okay, see, the pets all looked amazing. They all got dressed up. It was incredible. But now we have someone from the Pet Gala today who brought their very own pet, okay? This is one of my favorite people in the tree fort, but I don't really know her that well yet.
It
Count
is
Angela.
I, Count Angela.
Welcome, Count Angela.
Won't you invite me in?
Oh, well, yeah, you are, of course, welcome to come in. Come to the tree fort.
Yes. Oh,
No,
I have
watch
to be invited in because I'm a vampire.
It's very clear you're a vampire. Yeah. What's up? So tell us about the Pet Gala.
Yes, I attended the Pet Gala with my pet bat, Bram. He's dressed up in a bow tie.
Yeah, I mean, he looks great. Count Angela, I just have one question. Most people have dogs, cats, bunnies, that kind of thing. Why a bat?
Because bats suck blood, like me, Count Angela.
That's right. You've got a lot in common, maybe, you would say.
Would you say that, Bram?
Yeah, you do have such a bond.
We do, and Bram won Best Dressed Bat in today's Pet Gala.
What an amazing award. So how many bats were there today?
Just one.
Bram.
Don't worry, Bram. Yes, just one, but he still looked amazing.
I bet he did. Now, Count Angela, I don't really know a lot about bats, but
What?
I don't.
Bram! Did you hear that? He doesn't know a lot about bats.
I don't really come
Well,
across.
now I can fix that problem with my trivia game. Count Angela's Bat Trivia!
Sounds really fun.
Yes, it's the trivia games that I bring everywhere with me, just in case people don't know about bats.
Okay, so how do you play?
Here's the thing. I ask you trivia questions, and if you win, you win.
Oh.
And if you lose, I turn you into a vampire!
What? No, I don't want that. I don't want to be a vampire. That's like my biggest fear. I don't want to play. I quit.
If you lose, I spray you with silly string.
Okay, well that's
Let's
better.
begin.
That's better than being a vampire. Okay, let's do it.
What is a baby bat called? Is it A, a bambino vatino, B, a pup, or C, a kid?
It's a pup.
Yes, correct.
I knew that.
Bram, he knows the answer. Some bat poop is known to A, smell like root beer, B, sparkle, or C, grow into new bats.
Stop it.
Answer quickly.
Sparkle.
Yes, you're correct. Oh no. Okay, so Bill Fletcher's bat colony exists where? A, Newfoundland, B, Iceland, or C, Texas.
Texas.
How do you know all these answers?
One more.
The Honduran bat is a little white bat with a yellow nose that lives in tents it makes out of leaves. True or false?
Tents? True.
What? You do know about bats!
So I don't have to be a vampire.
Hold on. Bram, what we should do? Bram says you still get the same thing!
I got all the right.
It doesn't matter!
No, it's not fair!
Tell us about your unusual pet.
I'm Count Angela. I grew up in Transylvania, but my blood-sucking bat, Bram, was originally from Central America. His favorite treat was the blood of cows, horses, and pigs. Ooh, delicious. I loved my bat, Bram. He was so cute, so adorable, the way he'd fly through the sky. Bram! Bram, come home! Time to eat! Bram, sit. Bram, stay. Yes, my blood-sucking bat's name was Bram. Named after famous author Bram Stoker, who wrote the book about my great-great-uncle, Count Dracula. Oh, I do miss Bram a lot. He was my favorite pet. Bram was a rescue bat, but some would say he rescued me.
Okay. I was dressed for the gala, but now I'm dressed in silly string.
Well, there you go. Bound to happen at a pet gala.
That's true, but we only got 2 minutes to show off this craft.
It's true. Okay, TVO kids, I love this craft.
Me too.
Tell them what it is.
Okay, it's a soctopus.
It's a soctopus.
Yeah, it's an octopus out of a sock.
It's so cute. Check it out. This is what it looks like when you're all finished. I love it. It really does look like a little soctopus pet that you can have at home. So this is how you make it.
Okay.
So you're gonna get a sock, right? Make sure it's clean. And it works better if you have one that has like a long ankle on it. So we're gonna take some stuffing, but you
Okay.
can use old fabric, newspaper.
Yeah, you can use anything, and you want to stuff it right at the top so it makes the head of the octopus. See what I mean?
Exactly. Check it out. So we're
Looking good.
making the head of the octopus, and once we've got it in there,
Yeah.
we're actually just gonna tie a little knot
That's
to
right.
keep it there.
Now, these octopuses do not eat squid, eat crab, lobster, or
But are you saying that
eat.
real octopus, they do?
They do.
Okay.
Octopuses. That's the plural. Okay.
So TVO kids, once you've got your sock tied, you're gonna cut the end into how many legs?
8, because octopuses
8.
have 8 tentacles.
Okay.
So you want to make sure there's 8, and you can do that any way you want. It's just quick
Yeah.
math. Oh, mine's cutting this.
Yep, so this part can be a little bit hard because you're cutting fabric, so if you need to get help from a parent or guardian, that's okay too.
That's true. You could actually make a bunch, and you could have like a whole group
You could have
of
a whole
octopuses.
octopus village.
Okay, we gotta do it before the show ends.
Okay, keep cutting.
I
But
know I wanted
you should
to.
never cut too fast.
But here's
Always
the
take your
true
time.
thing. Because octopuses have 8 tentacles, if you made it with 6, you can make a squid because they have 6.
There you go. Okay,
Right?
so once you've got your legs cut, you can take a glue gun and
Yeah.
glue on
Okay.
your googly eyes.
And now we gotta go, TVO kids, but try this at home. It's really, really fun. We had a great day hanging out with you.
And I'm adding a bow tie on mine because it's Pet Gala Day.
Come hang out with us soon, TVO kids. Bye.